So this video you're about to watch, it's kind of interesting, all right? So I thought I was gonna vlog my journey to California just like I did with New York and also when I was in Miami, but I had my phone out sometimes and not some other times. So this video is basically just a compilation of a bunch of clips from California and Miami. So hope you guys enjoy it. Don't hate me. I'm sorry I'm gonna upload more. I did not film a lot of dope shit. Follow me on Instagram. Peace out. And I don't want to say bye yet actually. I will also upload a video talking about what I've learned from just traveling in the first month of the first month of 2019. Just the events I went to, the people I met. I've just learned so much about myself, so much about life, and so much about business, and I want to share with you guys. So that's a video that's going to be coming out soon. As I said, more content, guys. Once I get I'm moving back into Mississauga, so I'm going to be making a lot of more content, collabing with a lot of people. Just saying bye to Toronto, man. As much as I love Toronto, this just ain't the city for me. You guys are gonna see much more different things from me that's gonna surprise a lot of people because I have a lot of different plans in mind. But yeah, I'm just happy to be alive right now. As you guys know, I'm someone that's very, very grateful of life, or you might not know that, but I am very, very grateful of life. And I've learned a lot of lessons in this past year, man, and it has changed my life, and I really want to share it with people, and really just want to go and impact any lives I can through my content, through my message, in any way possible, because I've had a lot of times where I watch a random video from someone, and that has changed my whole perspective on life and a perspective on business, and just made me feel better. So I'm going to be doing that as well. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get into some videos from California and Miami. Yo, I almost slipped and died going, and my Uber's right here. Shout out to Mandem, because he just saved my life. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, they can't hear you because I got the AirPods in your ear.
It's not where you push through that. This is the mindset you need to develop. You need to force creativity. There are days that you don't want to push it. It's natural. It happens to me. It happens to JC. It happens to Jason Maxwell. It happens to all the wins. Has no zoom function. The 60mm gets everything in the frame. We got our camera stuff later. So,
yo, what is up, guys? You know, what's crazy is that I started off the vlog in Toronto, but when I was in Orange County in Newport Beach area, I did not record at all. And you know, there's a reason for that. Oh, I gotta stop switching. There's a reason for that. It's because I just wanted to live the moment and not have to worry about content. But if you guys did miss what I did in Orange County, what you can do is go check out my Instagram. I'll make like an archive folder for California, and you guys will love it. But I did some dope shit. Attended the High Status Summit, Jason Capital's High Status Summit. Amazing stuff. Met some cool ass people. Networked a bunch. You know, got to go out with the speakers. Now I'm with my friend Sebastian Escueda, who actually makes econ videos. We're in Hollywood Hills right now. Let me show you guys the views real quick. Oh, there you go. But here's the view from our Airbnb right now. We're in Hollywood Hills, Los Angeles. That is LA. You know what I'm saying? I know you guys know LA. We're just at our Airbnb right now. Oh, but yeah, as I was saying before, I'm just here. My throat hurts a little bit. I don't know if I'm sick. I don't know what the hell's going on with my body right now. But I'm gonna start documenting a bit more. I touched down in LA yesterday, met some cool ass people. Shout out to Austin and Shane. My bad. Austin and Shane from you know, they work with Iconic, dope ass people. So what I'm about to do today is link up with my homie Samir and then do some dope shit. So I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Boom, outfit change. I'm with the homie Sebastian Escueda. If you guys actually don't know, I used to watch his YouTube videos on dropshipping, some funny shit, but you know, this video is a bit different. We're gonna talk about some dope shit, and you'll know what that is in a second. Yo, where we about to go?
China. Just kidding. Get some pizza.
Get some fucking pizza. I mean, this is the hills. Oh yeah, this is the hills, by the way. You know what I'm saying? This is the pad. There's a fucking Lamborghini right there just chilling.
Yeah.
Oh, the lighting is beautiful here. We happy, we living. Catch you guys in a bit. So we headed to a pizza place right now, and the thing is, yo, oh my god, sorry. I love LA, man, because like I've been seeing so many dope shit here that I would normally not see in Toronto. Like I be seeing, yo, G-Wagons everywhere. Literally G-Wagons everywhere. Sebastian, what's your favorite car?
Probably a Volkswagen Jetta.
Jeez, you know, hey man, we live in the dream because we in a Jetta right now. We in the Jetta right now.
Jetta.
Oh, but yo, check this out. Woo! Oh.
Check it.
Palm trees, baby. Just do like click the CC button and then add Mark as well.
Can I put some?
Oh.
I need to put something else.
Oh, okay.
Is not wanting to join us to dinner. Don't even take me, Taylor. You're not allowed to be in my video.
There's like 3 cameras.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
Do you want to stay tonight?
Oh!
We'll go tomorrow, right?
Yeah, we'll sleep at my house tomorrow.
That's what we're doing right now.
We're gonna go to the movie and come back.
So we'll see you guys later.
Yeah.
Alright, lit.
Movie night, man? Movie night? Oh, it is my. Oh, I would just throw my shit up here.
Yo, Austin, introduce yourself because I don't think people know.
Alright guys, my name's Austin Cox. I only got 1 testicle. Last name's Cox
I
too.
wish I had that on this. I'm throwing mine right here too.
Anyways, I'm fucking 20 years old, living in LA. Just dropped out of school like a year ago, doing what I love. Me and my roommate doing crazy shit. Oh, I gotta look at 2 cameras.
Yo, this is very.
These are the boys though. I just met them yesterday.
Yeah,
we're
for
fucking.
sure.
We're brothers.
We're brothers. It's fucking meant to be.
Yeah,
it is what it is.
PB has a new jacket.
Yo, this jacket, the amount of compliments I've been getting for this jacket. If you guys actually check out my new Instagram picture, @SplashmanPB, you can actually see, like, you can see the amount of people that complimented me. But yeah, these guys are dope. We're about to get some seafood.
So, we about to get some crawfish.
Some crawfish and
Sounds gross.
I know.
yo, man, I'm excited. I'm excited. You know, I originally wanted Korean barbecue, but hey, you know what? He's the man. He knows what he's doing. So
I got you guys tonight. This is.
He got us tonight.
It's gonna be dope.
Let's do it.
Yo, have you ever heard of this song?
I don't know.
You never heard of this song? Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Oh no.
West, bitch, I'm dying. Shut West, West, bitch, I'm dying. Shut West. Shake West, bitch, I'm dying. Shake West. Live Shake West, bitch, I'm dying. Shake West. Live Shake West, bitch, I'm dying.
Let me show you real quick.
Oh boy.
Live Shake West, bitch, I'm dying. Shake West. Live Shake West, bitch, I'm dying. Shake West. Live Shake West, bitch, I'm dying. Shake West.
Oh shit, I dented the car.
Yep.
Hella. Marcina.
No, wait, I got you. This is why I have this in my car. Here.
Oh, yo.
So I got a plunger.
What?
So when you step on your car, you gotta have the plunger ready, right?
Yep. Oh.
That looks pretty good. I mean, it looks a lot better.
Oh, easily.
There's just one more right here.
It looks brand new.
Got a little too out of control. I heard if you put hot water on shit, it makes it better.
Yeah, I've seen something like that before. I heard about that. Boom.
I'm just gonna fix my parking and then we'll do it.
Yeah.
Oh. Yo, I'm like.
You know, if you lay on that, it like spins you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I swear. We'll wait for that.
Do it for the ground. Do it for the ground. Do it.
For the YouTube, for the gram,
Yeah, kill it.
for Tinder.
I swear.
You gotta stay stiff?
Yeah.
Bro, I don't want him to die. No, I don't want him.
That did not work.
I think I gotta.
No. I did not want you to die.
Oh shit. Guys, hello.
You should do come up like.
Oh man.
Yeah, we my favorite.
All right, wait, camera. Sebastian, thoughts?
Amazing. Yo, 20 out of 10, boys. 19 out of 10.
19 out of 10, huh? Yoga Land. Austin, what are we about to do right now?
Guys, we're about to go get a tattoo. Inked. We're about to get tatted up.
My first tattoo.
This is gonna be my first tattoo that's not on my leg. It's gonna be on my chest. I'm a little scared because, you know, I'm trying to get ripped. So
He's on
It won't expand.
okay. I'm holding you to that.
You can.
I'm gonna have you buy me a really expensive dinner.
Yeah.
In the future.
$3 dinner.
No.
Boom.
Really? You want a cake?
At least 3K, bro. I want like golden spaghetti or something.
Are you getting a tattoo?
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah. If the mood's right.
If the mood is right. If
Feel
you're
like-
Yo, who's your boy? There.
Oh, my boys.
Yeah, who's
I like either the Oakland, or not the Oakland guy.
I got you, I feel you.
Yes. Or the quiet dude who never fucking offers to give us tattoos and you have to ask him.
Aww.
And then he's super cool.
Yeah.
And that's the guy Taylor likes too, huh?
Yeah, he did my arcade game. He did a super detailed job.
That white guy?
The one, yeah, and then like I told him to do anything he wanted, and he added the 25 cents right there.
Oh shit.
If it's a girl, I'm not gonna get.
No,
I don't like the girl.
the girl I don't like either because she has no personality.
I don't like her. I don't.
I feel like now that we say that, she's gonna be there, and we're fine.
I don't want her.
Oh fuck. Wallet.
Here. There's fine. Cool. Can we get this, Sebastian?
Yeah. Like to be referenced.
This shit's nuts.
Yeah.
It's insane. My heartbeat is like racing right now.
Yeah.
This is insane.
You going 7?
What does that say? Nothing. You look in the mirror.
Everything.
Everything. Everything that matters. Hey, what do you think about
What are your questions?
Hey man.
Honestly, bro, the U is a little too high. The U is a little higher than I thought. We're not gonna tell you on that. It's okay. Nah, I just can't. I fucking love it though. It's about the self-love. This is what I got. Self-affirmations. You gotta wake up, look at yourself in the mirror, and tell yourself you love yourself. If that made sense.
Yes, it
Anyways,
is.
guys, that shit a little hurt. It hurt a little. If you're gonna get a tattoo though, get one on your thighs first.
Oh.
Yeah. Last couple hours in LA.
Last couple hours in LA, making it memorable. Oh, currently it's 4:30 a.m. around there. We did a lot of shit that I didn't film.
For real.
We just went to McDonald's. I mean, he got some food from McDonald's. I'm tired as fuck, ready to go to Miami, but I don't know what else to say. I'm just tired, ready to go to Miami, packed up. Yeah, I'll record some more shit when I reach there. But hanging out with Austin and Shane was dope as fuck. Now I'm just waiting to leave this place. Definitely gonna come back. Fell in love with this place. So yeah, catch you guys a bit. So ever since I've been to Miami, I haven't vlogged yet. It's been 2 days, did some amazing stuff. Follow me on Instagram to see everything I've done so far and all the cool people I've met. But what I'm gonna do right now is show you my crib that I'm staying at. My homie Aiden from school and my homie Miguel Johnson Jr. Sales from a guy you already know him. He's here, so let's see it. Say what's up to the vlog, guys.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, alright, so this is the kitchen area. No one really uses it because we all be eating out, but about to grab some shit so I can cook. Yo, Jordan, where we at right now, man? Let him know.
Hold the edges perfectly, not scraping it.
It's the one and only Jordan Nazario. Back at it again.
Back at it again, guys. What's
Another
up?
video.
You can see my bro hooked it up right here with the executive. Yes, sir.
No, we're only executives with the emo marketing legend himself.
I'm saying.
The emo marketing legend.
We out here. I told you guys we out here.
If you want to scale your store, swipe up. Do you have the same camera?
Yeah, man, exactly.
No way.
We got G7X on deck. G7X on deck. You heard my homie Aiden from Ryerson. I don't know if you guys ever met him. My homie Anthony, just met him. What's your name, bro? I forgot, sorry.
Sean. PB have known each other since we both started.
Yeah, man, Sean from Toronto. So you know we roll deep, and we got Drake playing. So oh fuck, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Fuck.
6 guys.
Nah, just in the back. You're good.
Nah, we good, man.
Oh, and now it's kind of nice out.
I'll show you more of the view later because I'm tired. I'm sick as fuck. Peace.